guys, today we are gonna play some tornado games. So if you don't know what's a tornado, you have to know what's a tornado is. Like this big pile of wind that could like demolish a house like in a second. And there's been like 2013 El Reno tornado. That was like the biggest tornado ever recorded, but there was bigger tornadoes. Let's see on the radar. So where she's where? Do we have a tornado here? No, we don't have. Tornado here. That's a little sad because I want you guys to see a tornado. The generator key. The Dominator 3 is like a D because of number B. Oh, sneaky. I'm not good at that. Go viral. I'm not begging because I just want to increase my channel. Like of course, because I like playing Roblox and I like playing other games. And yeah, that's it.
The National Weather Service in Hayden has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Litchfield County, North Central Coldora, Wheat County, North Central Coldora, Rivulet County, North Central Coldora. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located southwest of Hayden, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stonington, Galva, Ashtown, Hayden. The main threat of this storm will be quarter-size hail. This is a dangerous storm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor level, or get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
tornado I'm seeing. Oh my god, there's a tornado. Yes. Oh my god, do you see, guys? The lightning is literally... You have to see it. You see it, right? Because I see it and I don't want to come close to it. But for the video I will. How wild it is. Like, whoa, it's like some nightmare. Like thunderstorms. Not like the world. There's a tornado! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The tornado! I think. Oh no! The tornado got me! And he flew me. I'm gonna try to die in the tornado.